Alright, for this process we're going to be checking brakes. For this vehicle, it uses air brakes, so you don't really have a cylinder where we can check fluids. Also, you want to check for the actual brakes itself, cylinders, make sure there's no cracks or crimps in the line. Make sure it's not leaking at all. Looks fine. Right here, the brake was removed for some odd reason that I am unaware of. There'd also be hoses and stuff going to it that we do not have. After that, we come over to the brakes. You'd measure brakes, check for cracks, burns, welds, make sure they're proper, not out of whack and could be dangerous. See the little hole right there? That's for measuring the brakes. You right up in there. Check the outer rim, make sure there's no scoring. Make sure it's not damaged in any way that could cause failure in operation. That's mostly it. And then you got a few more tests, which involves being inside the cab. Alright, for our inspection, we're going to be doing the brake systems. One of the most crucial parts to the vehicles of today. With brakes, you're going to check the cylinders, make sure there's no leakage. You get hands on, make sure there's nothing coming out. Check hoses, fittings, make sure they're not loose, cracks, pinches, and any of the lines. Nope, it seems fine. Even back here. Alright, for the inside cab tests, I'm gonna turn the vehicle over, turn it on, push in the brake, make sure the parking brakes is engaged, pulled out. Gonna put it into a gear, and then let off the brake slowly to see if it moves. Gotta build up the air pressure too. Alrighty. Push and brake. Make sure that's full. Slowly let off. Neutral again. Alright, from that test, you see the truck moves forward. That's with the parking brake engaged. Therefore, showing that the parking brake does not work and needs replaced. And the truck will need that fixed before it can do any other operations.